Nigeria is aiming to significantly boost its oil production, setting a target of 2 million barrels per day (BPD) by the end of 2024. As Africa's largest oil producer, Nigeria has faced challenges that hindered its output, such as oil theft, pipeline vandalism, and underinvestment. In the past, production has fluctuated well below its potential, reaching only 1.46 million BPD in late 2023, despite efforts to tackle these issues. In a bold move, the Nigerian government has initiated reforms to address these systemic problems. One key effort has been focused on securing investments to ramp up production capabilities. For instance, the government is working closely with major international oil companies like ExxonMobil and Shell to tackle the financial and technical hurdles facing the sector. A major part of this strategy involves increasing oil recovery from existing fields, alongside addressing security issues in the oil-rich Niger Delta. Furthermore, Nigeria's National Petroleum Corporation, NNPCL, is committed to aggressive reforms, including finalizing divestment deals from international oil companies and improving the fiscal conditions for deepwater exploration. These actions are part of a broader plan to stabilize the country's oil sector and increase government revenues, crucial for financing economic recovery amid global challenges. Should Nigeria meet this ambitious goal, it will not only help stabilize its oil sector, but also bolster its position in the global energy market, especially as it strives to maintain a crucial role in the OPEC Plus framework,